Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a June favorites video. More like a May, April, June favorites video because it's how long I haven't posted a beauty favorites, but I'm excited to show you everything that I have here. For my first products, I have the e.l.f. CC Cream. I did go ahead and pick up a new shade. This is medium 375N. This is more of my undertone, the medium 330W, but this one darkens this one up just enough. So I've just been mixing both of them and I've been loving them. I haven't used them in like 2 weeks, but ever since I discovered it, I have been loving it, so I thought I would include it in this video. Another foundation that I'm actually wearing right now, and I'm obsessed with it because it has SPF and is a Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation by Bobbi Brown. It's so beautiful. It's so amazing on my oily skin. It is the end of the day. I put this makeup on during my beauty live this morning and it's still holding up pretty well. I was telling my husband that usually with foundations, they just start breaking up on me because I have oily skin. With my sweat comes oil. So it just starts breaking up. It doesn't look as beautiful anymore. But this foundation doesn't break up on me. I feel like with this foundation, I get more of a healthy glow more than just a shiny oil mess. Another thing that I have been mixing with any foundation, not mixing, but just prepping my skin with this. I do my normal skincare routine in my restroom, but I keep this in my beauty room and I use it as my primer and as another moisturizer. When I was younger, I didn't know the importance of keeping your skin hydrated, even if you have oily skin. Now I know the importance of it. Again, Fenty Beauty setting powder, love it. This is in the shade of Banana. Not gonna stay too long on this product. You already know how I feel about it. Next, we have the KKW Contour Kit. As you can see, I'm still working on it. I'm still loving it. I have it on today. I have it on all day, every day. Cream products. I've been obsessed with the Fenty Beauty cream blushes. I know you already watched that video. You know how I feel about these, but I love them. I don't know how I've been doing my blush without these. Sticking to the cream category, cream bronzer by Fenty Beauty. You need it. It's amazing. There's some people that just don't like cream bronzer and it's not for you. I thought it wasn't for me either because they have never worked out as well as this one has. I highly recommend, if you are a beginner on cream bronzer, that you try this. I highly recommend it. I have some Kylie products. I love this shade so much. This is Iced Latte Lip Liner. I have it on my lips right now. I have been loving it so much and I'm freaking out because I can't find it at any of my Ultas or on her website because it's been down for a while now. Also, I know you can't get these anymore. These are from the Stormy collection. The two shades that I've been loving, it's Little Sunshine and Baby Love. And for eyeshadow palette, dun 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 dun, I cannot stop using this. This palette, again, I'm sorry you cannot get this anymore, but if you have this palette and you don't play with it enough, what are you doing? This palette is gorgeous. It has everything you could possibly want and need for summer. I went back on my beauty live streams and I saw that I used this palette for 5 or 6 weeks straight. So if you can't tell that I love this palette, I love it. And there's just, the options are endless with this palette. If you have this palette, cherish it. I hope they bring it back. I have 2 complexion products that I need to desperately talk about. To apply this beautiful moisturizer, I use the Real Techniques 200 brush. This spreads it out so gently and so beautiful on my skin and evenly, and it's amazing. If you need something to apply your moisturizer or any cream product, I believe, you need this brush in your makeup collection right now, and it's very inexpensive. They usually come in sets of other amazing brushes as well, so don't miss out on this. This is absolutely beautiful. This is called the Expert Face Brush. That's what it's called. And look how pretty it is. I love it. I need to talk about this really quickly because as much as it's my favorite, I can't ignore the fact that there's an inconsistency in product that they're putting out on the shelf. So the very first sponge that I ever tried by e.l.f. was amazing. It was beautiful. But then the second one was stiff and hard, and it wouldn't blend my foundation out the same. It wasn't a bad sponge, but it wasn't as good as the first one I tried. I hate to sound all dramatic and stuff over a face sponge, but if you want me to make a video on how you can tell which is a good sponge and which a not so good sponge, then let me know. I can totally make that video for you guys. So thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which are your June favorites or which are your favorite beauty products as of recently. I would love to know. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.